Here I am in a lovely environment and it feels so peaceful here. And I wanted to tell you guys that I have found some solutions for a technical problem. Maybe you're facing it right now. So check the video, and if it helps you, if it really helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me a lot. Bye! Thank you guys for watching the video. If the solution was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and you can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. See you again later. Bye!